What if I told you that the year 2026 marks the first time in human history where we are no longer just competing with faster machines, but are actually witnessing the birth of agentic AI systems that can make decisions, manage workflows, and execute entire business strategies without a single human being in the loop? While we once comforted ourselves with the idea that AI was just a helpful intern designed to summarize our meetings, the shocking reality of 2026 is that nearly 30% of global jobs are now facing high exposure to autonomous systems that are fundamentally decoupling our traditional link between human effort and economic value. If you are starting to feel that the skills you spent years perfecting are becoming less valuable by the day and you want to understand how to position yourself as an orchestrator rather than just another worker, you must explore the hidden mechanics of the AI ripple effect on the global job market. Here are exactly 10 essential facts and shifts regarding how artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of employment and global opportunity right now. First, the junior-level wipeout is currently affecting white-collar industries like accounting, research, and legal analysis, where mid-level roles that once served as training grounds for new talent are being almost entirely replaced by autonomous AI agents that work 24 hours a day without error. Second, skilled trades insulation has become the ultimate career safety net, as physical jobs that require complex, non-routine movements in unpredictable environments like plumbing, electrical work, and specialized farming remain almost entirely immune to AI disruption. Third, the AI wage premium has reached a massive 56% increase this year, meaning that any professional who can demonstrate high-level AI fluency is earning significantly more than their peers, even in industries that have nothing to do with technology. Fourth, a new executive role called the Chief Integration Officer has emerged as the most critical hire of 2026, as companies realize that the challenge is no longer buying the AI, but successfully weaving it into their core human systems to actually deliver a return on investment. Fifth, human-AI collaboration managers are now the fastest-growing job title in the corporate world, filling a desperate need for people who can act as the social bridge between the cold logic of the machine and the complex emotional needs of a human workforce. Sixth, global inequality is taking a new shape as advanced economies see 60% of their jobs exposed to AI, while low-income countries see only 8% exposure, potentially creating a digital divide that could redefine which nations lead the global economy for the next century. Seventh, agent operations specialists have replaced traditional office managers, as their primary responsibility is now monitoring and troubleshooting fleets of digital AI agents that handle customer service, supply chain logistics, and even basic cybersecurity. Eighth, AI ethics and governance leads have become a mandatory requirement for almost every major corporation, earning salaries of up to $200,000 because they are the only ones who can ensure that autonomous systems are not making biased, illegal, or dangerous decisions. Ninth, platform entrepreneurship is allowing people in developing nations to use cheap AI tools to build global businesses from their laptops, effectively turning the AI boom into a massive industrial policy that empowers a new generation of self-made digital creators. 10th, the World Economic Forum projects that while AI will displace millions of traditional tasks, it will simultaneously create over 170 million new roles by 2030, meaning the challenge isn't a lack of work, but a massive reskilling race to keep up with the speed of change. Now that you have seen how the architecture of the global job market is being physically and digitally reconstructed, which one of these 10 facts about the AI ripple effect do you find the most important for your own career survival? While every one of these shifts is a critical part of our professional evolution, the best choice for anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve is number 4, understanding the role of the integration and orchestration. This is the best choice because once you realize that the most valuable skill of 2026 is not doing the work but designing the system that does the work, you stop being a victim of automation and start becoming the architect of your own professional future. If you are ready to stop being a spectator in the most significant economic shift of our lives and want to start mastering the incredible power of your own hybrid skills and the secrets of the future of work, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now so you never miss another deep dive into the truth.